Let's make this tasty salad with grilled chicken and good seasons dressing. This is a quick and simple salad that you can enjoy at any time. I started with romaine lettuce, then I added my tomatoes, cucumbers, radish, feta cheese, Cubanelle peppers, grilled chicken, homemade pickled red onions, croutons for crunch, and seasoned everything with salt and pepper. Next, I made my dressing using good seasons garlic and herb mix, lemon juice, white balsamic vinegar, and extra virgin olive oil. Stir to combine everything, pour it over your salad, give it a good mix, and you're good to go. Check out the link in my bio for all my salad essentials available on Amazon. And follow me for more easy salad recipes.